Hello students, good morning. Today we will see the permutation and combination. In the probability, we can define the probability as the probability is the branch of mathematics concerning the numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true. Probability is a number between 0 and 1 where, roughly saying, 0 indicates probability, 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. The probability of an event A is written as probability of A or small p of A or PR of A. Example: to understand the definition of probability, we will solve one simple example. The example is of tossing a coin. Now, the example is of this type: a coin is tossed, then find the probability of getting head. Its solution is as follows. The sample, when we toss a coin, then we get a total number of sample space are head and tail. That is, the total number of sample space is 2. Now, probability of getting head, the sample space for getting head is T is H and it is 1, means the total sample space is 1. Now, the probability of getting head is equals to the total number of events, number of cases in the event occurs divided by total number of events, that is equals to 1 by 2, and if we simplify this, we will get 0.5. The second example is of tossing a disc. The example is of this type: a fair disc is tossed, then probability of getting even number of on top face of the disc. The sample space, when we toss a disc, the total number of sample space are 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As there are 6 faces to a disc, and therefore, if we toss a disc, then one face will appear on top or one number will appear on the top. Therefore, the total number of sample space are 6. Now, the probability for even number. When we toss a disc, it is possible the 2, 4 and 6 numbers may get on the top. That is, the probability of getting even numbers equals to 2, 4 and 6, means total number of samples space is 3, and the probability of getting even number is equals to 3 divided by 6, that is equals to 0.5. Even if either event A or event B can occur, but never both simultaneously, then they are called mutually exclusive events. If two events are mutually exclusive, then the probability of both occurring is denoted by probability of A and B, that is written as P probability of A intersection B, that is equals to 0. If two events are mutually exclusive, then the probability of either occurring is denoted by P of probability of A union B, that is that can be written as probability of A or B, that is equals to probability A or B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus 0. As the probability of A and B is equals to 0, the two events are mutually exclusive, therefore its probability is 0, and therefore we get the probability of A or B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. I will see the permutation. What is the permutation? In mathematics, a permutation of a set is, loosely speaking, an arrangement of its members into a sequence or linear order, or if the set is already ordered, a arrangement of its elements. The word permutation also refers to the act or process of changing the linear order of an ordered set. Permutation differ from combinations, which is selection of some members of a set regardless of order. For example, written as a tuples, there are three permutations of the set 1, 2, 3, namely 1, 2, 3. This is the first set. Second set is 1, 3, 2. Third is 2, 1, 3. Fourth is 2, 3, 1. Fifth is 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. Formula. For calculating the number of permutations, we use the following formula. Permutation of n numbers with r ways equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. We will solve one example. A code having 4 digits in a specific order. The digits are between 0 to 9. How many different permutations are there in one digit may only be used once. Solution. A 4-digit code could be anything between 000 to 999. Hence, there are 10,000 combinations. If every digit could be used more than one time, but since we are told in the question that one digit only may be used once, it limits our number of combinations. In order to determine the correct number of permutations, we simply plug in our values in our formula. That is, permutation of n numbers with r ways equals to 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4 factorial, that is equals to 5040. I will see the combination. In mathematics, a combination is a selection of atoms from a collection such that the order of selections does not matter. For example, given 3 fruits, say an apple, an orange and a pear, there are 3 combinations of 2 that can be drawn from this set: an apple and a pear, an apple and an orange, or a pear and an orange. Formula. For calculating the number of combinations formed, we use following formula. The number of combinations with r ways can be written as n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now, we will solve some examples on combination. In how many ways can a coach choose 3 swimmers from among 5 swimmers? There are 5 swimmers to be taken 3 at a time. Using the formula of combination, we can write, or we can choose 3 swimmers from the 5 swimmers as probability of 5 comma 3 upon 3 factorial, that is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 10. The coach can choose the swimmers in 10 ways. The second example is 6 friends wants to play enough games of chess. To be sure everyone plays everyone else. How many games will they have to play? There are 6 players to be taken 2 at a time. Using the formula of combination, we can write or we can choose 2 players from the 6 equals to combinations of 2 friends, 2 students from 6 upon 2 factorial. It is written as 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1, that is equals to 15. They will need to play 15 games in all total. Thank you.